Hello guys, today I would like to show you a pretty simple case, but this is probably one of the most common mistakes when we talk about the wedging. So look at this film. Right now this is the case from today. So first I placed the two Tor sectional matrix and I placed the two Teflon flosses exactly in between two matrices. And this is exactly the same story like when you use the traditional wedge. So after we apply wedge or the Teflon flosses, like in this case, and then when you place the Paladin ring or any other separation ring, very often you will gonna lose some of the matrix adaptation. So as you can see here, when I place the two Teflon flosses, I've got perfect matrix adaptation. But then when I place the Paladin ring, you increase the separation effect. So in the same time, the space in between the teeth is bigger, so very often you will gonna lose the matrix adaptation. You can see right now that on the buccal side there is a little gap that can lead to making a ledge with the composite. This is why when you use the traditional wedges you should push it harder, or like with the Teflon floss, that is very easy, you can just pull the two Teflon flosses to eliminate this little gap. So this is why I really love to work with the Teflon flosses, because I've got all the possible wedges in the single Teflon floss. So all you need to do is just you have to pull it a little bit more and you will get the perfect matrix adaptation. This is one of the tricks that I will gonna talk about during my Success Stairs course in Thailand this year. So if you struggle with the matrix adaptation, if you want to learn new techniques, I will share with you a lot of the tricks. I will show you the all indications for the Teflon floss, how you can use it, in which situation, and many different options that you've got with the Teflon floss. So see you there. Bye.